The Kluge-Ruhe collection consists of more than 1,700 objects of Australian Aboriginal art, of which 528 are bark paintings from Northern Australia. Constructed from eucalyptus tetradonta bark painted with natural pigments, these paintings are inherently fragile and susceptible to degradation when improperly handled and stored. To preserve these important works, Kluge-Ruhe has undertaken a major storage upgrade for 450 bark paintings. Associate Curator Dominique Cocuzza designed a tray system for each painting that would meet the following criteria. The trays had to be stackable to fit on open shelves in the museum's storage space. They had to allow for regular visual inspection and airflow. They also had to be standardized and easy to assemble by trained student interns. To minimize the labor and ensure standard outcomes, Ms. Cocuzza acquired prefabricated kits and pre-cut materials for each storage tray from a packaging company. Here's a step-by-step description of the assembly process. Use a tray whose base has been constructed from pre-cut 10 mm archival chloroplast. Each base has a custom-made edge rail made of virgin polyethylene and applied by the packaging company with archival hot melt glue. The rail covers sharp edges of the chloroplast and increases the base's rigidity. The first step is to clean both sides of the base with Novus plastic polish to remove any dust. Next, apply a sheet of pre-cut Volara to the top surface with hot melt glue. The Volara provides a smooth padded surface that cushions the painting. Next, apply the ethafoam corner pieces and side support bars using hot melt glue. These pieces allow the tray to stack and provide 3 inches of headroom for the paintings. The corners have been die cut by the packaging company in 2 different sizes and foam densities to accommodate smaller and larger trays. Half of the corner pieces come with polyethylene label blanks. Consistently position the corners so the label blank is located on one short side and one long side. This will ensure that the label is visible no matter how the tray is later positioned on the shelf. Apply additional pre-cut foam bars to support the sides of the tray as needed. After the glue has completely dried, place the painting on the tray and assess its profile. Carve customized supports from ethafoam or baccarad to cradle the contours of the bark. Cover ethafoam supports with a layer of Volara to provide a non-abrasive surface. Mark the location of each support with pencil for gluing. Next, use Plastazote foam bumpers made from pre-cut foam rods to immobilize the painting on the tray. The bumpers come in different sizes to accommodate bark profiles. Position the bumpers to allow for some natural expansion of the bark. Mark bumper positions with pencil for gluing and remove the painting. Now you glue each support and bumper at their marked places, avoiding excess glue. Allow the glue to fully dry and remove any remaining strings. Place the painting on its customized tray and assess the fit. Make minor modifications if necessary. Select the 2 labels for the painting. We recommend preparing the labels in advance to save time. These color labels were printed on archival cardstock and cut to size. Apply the labels to each of the polyethylene blanks on the foam corner pieces. Using this system, Kluge-Ruhe has rehoused more than 400 bark paintings. We have reduced the risk of damaging the paintings from harmful stacking and storage and have minimized direct handling. This tray system also provides greater accessibility and safe retrieval. The trays also double as travel mounts. By adopting this storage system, we have reduced overcrowding and improved the collection's organization. In the future, Kluge-Ruhe collection will move to a purpose-built storage space where these trays will fit into compact units. Meanwhile, we're continuing to improve how the collection is stored and are developing a solution for our large-scale bark paintings. Bye.